Good morning, students. In my last video, I taught you about formation and degradation of soil and steps to control degradation. Now we will discuss in detail about major soil types of India. This is a map of India where you will be able to see major soil types. We have discussed it earlier also. This green portion, this is forest and mountainous soil. This portion beneath this is alluvial soil. Red portion is red and yellow soil. Gray area is this is called basalt region. This is black soil, and this pink shade here on the Western Ghats is laterite soil. Over here in Western Rajasthan, it is arid soil. So now we will discuss each of the soil in detail. I have already told you about alluvial soil, that it is found in northern area or northern plain area. It is deposited by three perennial rivers, Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Apart from northern plains, it is found in Gujarat, Rajasthan and deltas of Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi. It is a transported soil. The soil consists of sand, silt and clay. In the upper course of the river, soil is coarse, and in lower course it is fine in texture. Due to its high fertility region of alluvial soil, they are intensely cultivated and highly populated. Now, according to age, we can classify alluvial soil into two types: old alluvial and new alluvial. Old alluvial is also called Bangar and new alluvial is called Khadar soil. Now, Khadar and Bangar, these are the two types of alluvial soil. Now, main characteristics of Khadar soil is it is found in lower areas of valley which are flooded every year. It is of finer texture as soil gets rejuvenated due to floods, constant floods. It is of finer texture. It is more fertile than Bangar soil. Bangar soil, it is found in higher reaches about 30 meters above flood level. It means that it is not in flood prone area. It contains lot of conker nodules and it is less fertile than Khadar soil. Nutrients present in alluvial soil are potash, phosphoric acid and lime. Main crops which are grown in the soil are sugarcane, paddy, wheat and pulses. Next comes black soil. Black soil, as you can come to know with the name, that it is black in color. It is known by different names like Regur soil, black cotton soil. It is found in northwestern parts of Deccan Plateau. It covers Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh and is made up of withering lava rocks. It is made up of fine clay material. It is known for its water retention capacity, means it can hold moisture. It is poor in phosphoric content. It develops crack in hot weather. As you can see in this picture, cracks are formed on the soil. So it's like in hot weather season when water is less, so cracks are there. Nutrients present are calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, potash and lime. Crops grown are mainly cotton, tobacco, oil seeds, jowar, maize, etc. Next comes red and yellow soil. It develops in crystalline igneous rocks in areas of low rainfall, mainly found in Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Western Ghats. It is red in color due to diffusion of iron. It looks yellow in color when it is in hydrated form. Nutrients present, it is rich in potash and it is deficient. It means it is having less of phosphoric acid, organic matter, and nitrogenous material. Crops grown are by using fertilizer, it can grow wheat, rice, pulses, millets, oil seeds, potatoes, etc. Laterite soil. Laterite has been derived from Latin word later, which means brick. It is found in areas of high temperature and heavy rainfall. This results in leaching due to heavy rain. Now, what is this leaching? It is a process in which nutrients of soil, they get washed away due to heavy rainfall. Humus content in this soil is low as decomposers, they get destroyed due to high temperature. This soil lacks nitrogen, potassium. Cultivation can be done with high amount of manures and fertilizers. Areas in which it is found are Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. Crops which can be grown in this particular type of soil. Cashew nuts, they grow very well in this soil. It is good for making bricks also, as we have discussed earlier. The word laterite, that has been derived from Latin word later, and later means brick. So it's good for building material also. Arid soil. This soil ranges from red to brown color. It is sandy in texture. This soil is mostly found in western Rajasthan. Salt content is high in this soil. It is alkaline in nature, as there is very less rainfall to wash off its alkalinity. Due to high temperature, there is a high rate of evaporation, so it lacks humus and moisture also. The soil is infertile without adequate amount of fertilizers. Crops which can be grown are barley, cotton, wheat, millets, maize. Forest and mountainous soil. This soil is found in hill areas. It is heterogeneous in nature, and the soil texture, it changes according to mountain environment where it is found. It is rich in humus but deficient in potash, phosphorus and lime. Crops grown are tea, coffee and spices. It is loomy and silty in valley side and coarse in upper slopes. So these were our 6 soil types which are mainly found in India. I suppose you must have understood well. We will meet again with a new topic. Have a nice day.